Hello everyone, good day. I am Kerberlim Ibedalio from BIT1A. I made short video presentation about Samsung Electronics Company. Let's start. Samsung Electronics. Samsung Electronics. Samsung South Korean company that is one of the world's largest producers of electronic devices. Samsung specializes in the production of a wide variety of consumer and industrial electronics, including appliances, digital media devices, semiconductors, memory chips, and integrated systems. It has become one of the most recognized names in technology and produces about a fifth of South Korea's total exports. Samsung is committed to complying with local laws and regulations as well as applying a strict global code of conduct to all employees. It believes that ethical management is not only a tool for responding to the rapid changes in the global business environment, but also a vehicle for building trust with its various stakeholders including customers, shareholders, employees, business partners, and local communities, with an aim to become one of the most ethical companies in the world. Samsung continues to train its employees and operate monitoring system while practicing fair and transparent corporate management. Attribute of workers in Samsung Electronics. Samsung's organizational culture is essentially the same as the corporate culture of its subsidiaries. Like Samsung Electronics, considering the human resources determine the outcomes of product innovation, strategic planning and implementation, customer relationship management, and other business aspects. Development of opportunities for our employees. Number 1. Human resources development is understandably an underlying strategic objective linked to Samsung corporate culture. For example, the company ensures career development opportunities not just through institutionalized programs, but also by encouraging employees to support each other toward achieving their career goals within the technology business organization. Passion for excellence. Number 2. Samsung's organizational culture motivates workers to achieve excellence in their job performance. The corporation directs human resources attention toward organizational development and maintaining a brand image of excellence and technological superiority. Constant change. Through its corporate culture, Samsung facilitates change that benefits the business. This characteristic of the organizational culture puts innovation at the center, based on the recognition that change is essential when it comes to technological innovation. Ethical foundation for integrity. Ethics and related concerns are integrated into Samsung's corporate culture. The corporation's leaders understand that ethics in business operations help minimize problems and optimize the technology firm's brand image and competitiveness. Emphasis on prosperity for all. Samsung extends its corporate culture's influence beyond its organization and workforce. The corporation developed its human resources to support the technology business and to help communities and stakeholders. The ideal employee in Samsung industry. The Samsung Electronics hires new employees on a regular basis through Samsung career websites. Generally, eligible applicants hold a college degree, but anyone can apply regardless of educational background. The applicant must be able to travel abroad and should not have any record of military draft evasion. YouGov, an internet-based market research service, recently evaluated more than 1,400 brands by polling 18 to 34 years old millennials on the top 10 brands they would be produced to work for. Unsurprisingly, this list is dominated by tech companies with Samsung ranked at number 6. Samsung Electronics Americas (SEA) approach to product innovation stems from its ability to continuously hire and retain its talent. C's recruiting priority is to hire a diverse set of young, brilliant, and innovative developers and designers who are slated to become the next generation of Samsung leadership. Samsung's brand perception definitely helps in attracting top talent. Millennials believe in companies that have purpose, that change with the times and contribute back to the society. Ultimately, there's a strong importance on brands they trust, and Samsung was recently named number 1 in the top 10 companies that millennials trust most in the survey issued by the Reputation Institute. The ideal Samsung industry. Samsung Company. The Samsung Company focused heavily on industrialization with the goal of helping his country develop itself after the war. During that period, his business benefited from the new protectionist policies adopted by the Korean government, whose aim was to help large domestic conglomerates chaebol by shielding them from competition and providing them easy financing. In the late 1950s, the company acquired 3 of Korea's largest commercial banks as well as an insurance company and firms that made cement and fertilizer. Early years, Samsung was founded as a grocery trading store on March 1, 1938 by Lee Byung-chul. He started his business in Taeju, Korea, trading noodles and other goods produced in around the city and exporting them to China and its provinces. The company name Samsung came from the Korean for 3 stars. After the Korean War, Lee expanded his business into textiles and opened the largest woolen mill in Korea. Electronics. Samsung first entered the electronics industry in 1969 with several electronics-focused divisions. Their first products were black and white televisions. During the 1970s, the company began to export home electronics products overseas. At that time, Samsung was already a major manufacturer in Korea, and it had acquired a 50% stake in Korea Semiconductor. Ang Samsung Company sa South Korea ay isa sa tinaguriang pinakamalaking company sa buong daigdig. Pagdating sa iba't ibang electronic device at mga appliances, isa ito sa pinakakilalang pangalan pagdating sa technology na may pang-5 spot sa South Korea total exports. Ang Samsung Company ay naniniwala that ethical management is not only a tool for responding, but also daan din sa pagbuo ng tiwala at suporta sa iba't ibang stakeholders. One of their goals ay maging isa sa one of the most companies in the world. Kaya patuloy ang kanilang pagtrato ng tama sa kanilang mga employees at also to their operating system. Ipapaliwanag ko naman po ang development of opportunities for all employees. Development of opportunities for our employees. These opportunities are also supported through Samsung's organizational structure, corporate structure, which facilitates human resource development while pushing for innovation in business operation. The innovation-centeredness of the organizational culture helps grow the business and create opportunities for employees. Career development in the process. Ipapaliwanag ko naman po ang passion for excellence. Ano nga ba ang passion for excellence? Passion for excellence, these cultural characteristics helps in the implementation of Samsung's generic competitive strategy and intensive growth strategies for expanding the business organization through innovative consumer electronics and semiconductors. Passion for excellence makes the corporate culture innovation-centered through the application of such passion in designing and innovating advanced technologies for satisfy international market demand. Constant change. Constant change. Ano nga ba ang constant change? For example, Samsung employees embody values, beliefs, and a philosophy that change is necessary to improve the company's consumer electronics and related products and ensure long-term competitive advantage against other firms, which also embrace the need for change in goals for innovation. In this way, the organizational culture facilitates technological innovation at the core of Samsung's business and its strategies. Ano nga ba ang ethical foundation for integrity? Based on Samsung ethical standards, the organizational culture promotes fairness, respect, and transparency, which are business ethics trends observable in the global market. In supporting innovation-centeredness, the cultural characteristic guides decision to make ensure that ethical frameworks are considered, leading to outcomes that satisfy the company's strategic objectives, while also optimizing corporate image and the related satisfaction of stakeholders. Ipapaliwanag ko naman kung ano ang emphasis on prosperity for all. Ang emphasis on prosperity for all ay, for example, the company's organizational culture motivates its workers to participate in corporate citizenship programs that give career opportunities for others and solve communities' problems via technology. This cultural characteristic is innovation-centered because it motivates employees to think of ways to use Samsung technologies and technological products to help various stakeholders. I am here to give a deeper explanation about Samsung Electronics of America. It has become critical for SEA to identify and drive new strategies to acquire highly sought-after employees and recent graduates, especially as the recruitment landscape and modern workforce begin to shift so drastically. Here are some questions frequently asked in the Samsung company. First question: how does Samsung Electronics find the right candidates for each organization? What drives young talent to work at Samsung? Answer: when it comes to hiring new talent, Samsung has a multi-pronged approach with heavy emphasis on target hiring. Approximately 50 to 60% of our hires are direct source. We do not just wait for the right candidate to apply for the job. We seek out candidates with the education, skills, and experience that are necessary for effectively performing their role. When researching a candidate, we use professional social media and networking sites like LinkedIn to ensure we are targeting the right candidates and references. Employee referral programs to provide students and potential employees with the right skills to succeed at Samsung. We've implemented fantastic university summer internship programs and MBA leadership development program and global opportunities. Question 2. How has the hiring landscape changed over the years? With the digital revolution, there are many ways an organization can reach out to student and young talent. But the real challenge isn't about finding these applicants. It's getting them engaged in this market where the most skilled candidates have many options. We remain authentic in our outreach and don't over on perks, showcasing our compelling value proposition unique to Samsung to build engagement through the process. Samsung Electronics American prides itself on 3 pillars: great people, fast-paced innovation, and unique East Midwest culture with endless growth opportunities. Here are some explanation on what is Samsung Company. During the 1970s, the company expanded its textile manufacturing processes to to cover the full line of production, from raw materials all the way to the end product, to be better complete in the textile industry. The late 1970s and early 80s witnessed the rapid expansion of Samsung technology business. Separate semiconductor and electronics branches were established, and in 1978, an aeroscope division was created. Samsung Data System, now Samsung SDS, was established in 1985 to serve business growing need for system development. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from my presentation today. Have a good day.